Our first step is going to be to install the Anaconda version of Python. This is Python combined with some editing software and a lot of packages that extend Python, so it's a lot easier than installing them all separately. So go to anaconda.com and hit download. In this case I'm downloading for Windows 10, but you can download for almost anything. Pick the latest version, so Python 3.6, download. Okay, now it's finished downloading, so we can open when done. Let's do it anyway, open when done. Here we go. Now that will look slightly different depending what browser you're using. I'm using Google Chrome, but if you're using something else it would look a bit different. We now get to the setup. We can get rid of the web browser now. Next. Agree. Just me. Default is fine. So go with the defaults here. Register as your default Python, just in case you have some other Python already installed. And press install. And wait. And after about 5 minutes, it looks like it's about to finish installing here. Okay, deselect these and finish.